Hi dear students, in this video, the second paid video of our living world, I mean taxonomic categories. When you think about taxonomic category, this is the second topic of our living world chapter. This is what taxonomic category: species, genus, and family, order, class, phylum, kingdom. Those species have similar character include one genus. Those genus have similar characters include one family. Those families having similar character include one order. Those orders have some similar character include under class. Those classes having different and similar character. We can say that in under phylum. Those phylum have similar character include under a kingdom. There are different kingdoms also. I will tell you. I will explain. My job is to explain what is species, what is genus, what is family, what is order, what is class, and what is phylum, and what is kingdom. Okay, let me say. From lower side to upper side, we are going. Okay, this is the order of that taxonomic hierarchy. What we call this kind of order? Taxonomic hierarchy. For example, how will you study this thing? Species, genus. Then you study family, order, class. Species, genus, that's present in scientific name. And family, order, class. Then phylum, and phylum in plants we call division. So phylum or division and kingdom. Family, order, class, phylum and kingdom. Okay. So for example, let me say mango tree, Mangifera indica. Indica is the species name. You can see here. Mangifera is the genus name. I told you already in the second video. And family is there Anacardaceae, order Salpindates, Dicotyledon class, and so on. So it's going. So Mangifera indica is a genus name Mangifera, species name indica. I mean, indica is a species, belongs to the genus Mangifera. This kind of genus or species, genus, family, order, class, phylum, kingdom is actually the taxonomic hierarchy, the category at different level. I mean the taxa at different level. Okay, so naturally there's a question raised. Already we explained what is really a species. You can see tiger is a species, tigers. Okay, this one is another species, and this lion is also a species, snake is a species, cat is a species, and this fish is a species, panda is a species, and everything belongs to the different. Tortoise is a species and different species. Okay, so naturally let me tell, mango is Mangifera indica, in which indica is a species. Potato we call Solanum tuberosum. Tuberosum. So tuberosum is a species. Solanum genus. And lion Panthera leo, in which Leo is a species. Human, as you know, Homo sapien, in which sapiens are species. The last word is a species which start not with capital letter but with small letter. Then what will start with capital letter? It's actually the genus. Okay. So Mangifera indica species, tuberosum species, Leo species, and Salpindale species, whereas Mangifera genus, Solanum genus, Panthera genus, Homo genus. So what is the difference between genus and species? You understood. Okay. So this is what I want to tell you under genus. So that under species. Species are the common organisms having similar appearance, and they mate each other and sexually reproduce each other and produce progenies. Okay. Whereas you can see here genus, a group of species having similar character. For example, let me say genus. Second topic is genus. Genus is actually, for example, here the Mangifera indica, Mangifera is a genus, Solanum is a genus, Panthera is a genus, Homo is a genus. Okay, you can look at the Panthera genus. You can see Panthera leo is lion, and Panthera tigris is tiger. Is it there? It belongs to same species? No. There one is Leo, another one is Tigris. Different species. Differently mate each other and produce children. So that tiger is different and lion is different. So Leo is lion and Tigris is tiger, but both included under the same genus Panthera. So Panthera leo means lion and Panthera tigris is tiger. That means this tiger and lion is closely related in some aspect, but it is not so close as species. Understood? So Panthera leo and Panthera tigris is the same genus having different species. Okay. If you look at the plant kingdom, Solanum tuberosum is potato. And nightshade plant we call it as Solanum nigrum, and Solanum melongena, for example, brinjal, for brinjal. So this Solanum species contain Solanum genus contains three species: Tuberosum nigrum, melongena, and so on. So it going on. Okay, you can see in the figure. So one genus consists of more than one species. That's what. Otherwise, you can say a group of species is having common character. We call it as genus. Okay. First lower one is species. So that species containing common character, genus, and the genus having common character, family, and is going on. Okay. Now lion, Panthera leo, leopard, Panthera pardus, tiger, Panthera tigris, all belongs to same genus, but species are different. You understood? Okay. So I completed what is species, what is genus. That all present in scientific name. But group of genus having same character is the family, then order, and then class. Family, order, class. Okay. Now let's explore what is family. Let's look at two scientific name. Panthera leo, that means lion. Felis domestica, that is cat. This lion and cat belongs to same family, Felidae. Felidae family. Felis domestica belongs to Felidae family. Panthera leo, the lion, also belongs to Felidae family. So the cat and lion and tiger belongs to same family. Cat is the family. Cat's family is great. Cat's family is actually the tiger and lion family. Okay. So Panthera and Felis are two genuses. The thing, neglect about the species, they are different. Panthera is a genus, Felis is a genus, but both under the family Felidae. Felidae is the family. Let me write here. Felidae. Felidae is the family of cat and this tiger and this lion. Okay, you understood. So say group of genus having same character is the family. If you look at the plant kingdom, plants, you can see that Solanum tuberosum, just like that. That's this one genus. Datura another genus. Petunia another genus. So this potato, Datura, Petunia belongs to same family known as the Solanum family, Solanaceae. Solanaceae family include potato, Datura, and Petunia, and each family will have vegetative and reproductive. When you think about reproductive character, when you think about the family of a plant, Solanaceae, Poaceae, different families are there, Brassicaceae, and different family, in which there will be a common root character, common stem character, common leaf character. This is what known by the name vegetative character. Vegetative character, and the flower character is called the reproductive character. Flower and fruit and seed. Okay, so that vegetative, I mean root, stem, leaf, reproductive, flower, fruit, seed, character we call it as vegetative plus reproductive character. It will be present under each plant family. Brassicaceae family, Solanaceae family, Poaceae family, etc. That is the family, importance of family. So I told you about species, genus, and family. Felidae family contain Panthera genus, then Felidae genus, etc. Understood? More than that, so I completed with different families. More than that, group of family having same character, family, order, class. So that order, same order. Let me say order. For example, if you look at the Felidae family, the representative of Felidae family, you can take it as our cat. Okay. And the another family is the Canidae. Canidae family is our dog. Canidae. Canidae lupus and something like the scientific name of our dog. Anyway, Canidae family and Felidae family belongs to same order, Carnivora. They are carnivorous animals. So there is an order, namely Carnivora. Carnivora contain Felidae family. Felidae family contain cat, lion, tiger, and this Canidae belongs to dog. So dog and cat is not belongs to same family, but same order. That is order is actually Carnivora. They are carnivorous animal. These are the family with the common character order. Okay, both included under the order Carnivora. Okay. Now, if you look at the plant kingdom, if you look at the Solanaceae family, already we discussed about Solanaceae family. You know, this kind of potato, tomato, pepper, and everything. Solanaceae family. And another family is there, Convolvulaceae family, that we are not mentioned. Convolvulaceae family. This kind of plants, fruit, have flower plant, floral plants are called Convolvulaceae family. These are two family. The Solanaceae family and Convolvulaceae family belongs to same order known as Polymoniales. Polymoniales. Order Polymoniales belongs to this Convolvulaceae family and Solanaceae family. That's the importance of an order. Okay, let me look back. Order Carnivora contain Felidae family and Canidae family. Just like that order, Polymoniales contain Convolvulaceae family and Solanaceae family. So I told you about species, I mentioned genus, I mentioned family and order. Now, group of order having same character, we call it as class. Example for class is actually Mammaliae, class Mammaliae. They are mammals that belongs to monkey, gorilla, gibbon. You can see monkey, gorilla, gibbon, everything belongs to a order known as Primata. Order Primata include monkey, gorilla, gibbon, and order Carnivora, as I mentioned, Felis, Panthera, and dog, Canis familiaris. Okay, dog, Felis, Panthera, everything. Let me say the common name: tiger, cat, dog, monkey, gorilla, gibbon. This tiger, cat, dog under the Carnivora order, whereas monkey, gorilla, gibbon belongs to Primata order, all under the class of this Mammalia. Mammalia means mammals. They will give birth to babies and breastfeed them. That is what class Mammalia. Class Mammalia is an example for what all these families, sorry, all these orders belongs. Family, order, class. So some same order belongs to class. Okay. So I have mentioned you species, genus, family, order, class, and group of class we call it as phylum. Let me introduce a phylum known as phylum Chordata. The spelling is a little bit of different. I want to correct it as you see. Phylum Chordata. No, it's okay. Phylum Chordata. Phylum Chordata include fishes, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. So what's the importance of this phylum Chordata? What is the common character of, mammals is a class, birds another class, reptiles another, amphibian another, fishes another, but all include under a phylum. In the plants we call it as division. Okay, phylum Chordata. Chordata means those having notochord. Then what is notochord? I will tell you. In all these animals, fishes, amphibian, reptiles, and mammals have vertebral column. Vertebral column. Vertebral column. This vertebral column, what happened is that it's present in a primitive form of vertebral column present in during embryonic stage. In embryo, when in the embryo in the mammal's body, when it's the baby is under become embryo, was embryo, there will be a notochord, a structure, vertebral column precursor. This notochord present, we call it as chordata. Okay, in some organism after birth this notochord may disappear. Whatever may be notochord present, that means precursor of vertebral column present in embryonic stage, we call it as phylum Chordata. Fishes, amphibian, reptiles, and birds and mammals. Okay, now I have mentioned species, genus, family, order, class, and phylum, then kingdom. There are two kingdom I want to tell you. Kingdom Plantae include all the plants. Kingdom Animalia include all the animals. Another kingdom is the kingdom of fungi, belongs to mushrooms and everything, kingdom of fungi. And the microbes kingdom are kingdom Monera protista, that we will study under different chapters. Okay, so kingdom Plantae belongs to kingdom plants and kingdom Animalia belongs to animals. Okay, so as the species have most common character, means if you get two organisms, they're both closely related. If it is so closely related, it is actually under same species. And kingdom, or the upper one, has the least common character, because you get a plant known as a jackfruit tree, and you get another plant known as coconut tree. The common character is a little very different. So that what I want to tell you is that least common character present in a kingdom, either in the plants or animal kingdom, but most common character present in a species. So lower is the most common character. Going to upper side, the common character will decreases. Common character decreases. Higher the category, lesser the common character. Higher the category, lesser will be the common character. So this kind of structure, what we call, it is not pyramid, it is a inverted pyramidal structure. Inverted pyramidal structure. You understood? Inverted pyramidal structure. Again, species, genus, family, order, class, phylum, and kingdom. Okay, this is what that order that present in our textbook. Species, genus, family, order, class, and phylum or division. And division is actually in plant and kingdom. Okay, this is the most informative table that you have obtained. You have to be obtained from your textbook. You can see here, man we call Homo sapien. Housefly, that you have to say that Musca domestica. Musca domestica. And mango mangifera indica, everybody know. Wheat, Triticum aestivum. Triticum aestivum. Okay, Musca domestica is housefly. Triticum aestivum is actually our actually our what you know by the name, wheat. Okay, now Homo Musca mangifera triticum. Already told you the genus name, but Homo belongs to Hominidae family. Musca Muscidae, and mangifera, as I mentioned in one figure, this is actually Anacardiaceae family. But the wheat is a monocot. That monocot I will tell you what. It belongs to a family Poaceae. All the grass and everything belongs to Poaceae family. Okay. An order you have to study in which Diptera order belongs to this housefly. Insect and everything belongs to insect. Under insect there is a Diptera family. Now what I want to mention highlight is that dicot and monocot belongs to first of all a division known as angiosperm. Angiosperm division means those flowering plants belongs to angiosperm. So both the mango tree and wheat belongs to angiosperm. They are flowering plants. But this tree is a dicotyledon, whereas wheat is a monocotyledon. These are all the topics that we have to discuss under further chapters. Okay, dicot means they will give two cotyledon, and their on germination they have two cotyledon. For example, our turmeric seed or cashew nut seed or this mango seed, etc. They will get two cotyledon on germination, and their leaf will be like this. Leaf will be this kind of venation will be present. Huh? Whereas if you look at the wheat, everything get in parallel venation will be in leaf. More than that, the root of this wheat is actually somewhat fibrous, starting from a base, and it is, but in the case of mango, it will be a root, a tap root. I mean, a deep root will be there. So this is the difference between dicot and monocotyl. Dicot, mango tree; monocotyl, wheat, coconut tree, arecanut tree, and bamboo tree. Bamboo tree means bamboo grass, and grass everything is actually rice, everything belongs to monocot, whereas mango belongs to, even the banana belongs to monocot. Okay, and mango trees actually belongs to dicotyledon family. Dicotyledon family include mango, cashew nut, jackfruit, everything belongs to dicot. Okay, both are in flowering plants, therefore angiosperms. Okay, and more than that, the housefly belongs to group arthropoda. They have shell and they have long lifespan also. Housefly belongs to arthropoda, phylum arthropoda. And as I told you, man belongs to phylum chordata, since we have vertebral column. And if it grows of vertebral column, but we call chordata, notochord. Okay, this is what we have covered. We covered in the second video as diversity and taxonomic category. We studied under different levels taxa, that is taxonomic category we studied under this video. And this chapter is over, but you want to, if you want more and more chapter, you have to follow the first video of all chapter is free for you. And if you find the first video is beneficial, you have to also follow the paid video also. The least fee and most quality, high quality education, that is our policy. Thank you for watching my video. We will see again. Bye.